Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get and use speed ups in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a fair few different ways how to do this. So the first way is to utilize in-game stores. So VIP stores offer great value once your VIP levels reach 7 to 10. These packs often include speed ups. Make sure to purchase them weekly after the reset. Also, your Alliance store, a reliable source for construction and tech speed ups. You can check out the campaign source as you progress through campaigns stages. Cheaper speed ups become available. This store often yields bulk acquisition opportunities. And also check out the event and daily deals. Some daily offers like Wednesday research deals, compliant gold chest, and research speed ups offering solid value. Also, events and alliance activities. So if you participate in alliance events such as arms race, verse duel, and other time challenges, these offer speed up rewards and resources. And alliance gifts, so given during active participation, often including speed ups. Also, check out the free sources and chests, so daily and weekly passes or free safes in the game's shopping area can drop speed ups. Some treasure chests, especially legendary ones obtained via digging or special mission, can contain speed ups, and codes often provide speed ups as part of rewards.